Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss how to find good suppliers for your product testing. Now just a note that I'm not going to teach you how to find private suppliers. I'm only going to cover how to find good suppliers in the testing phase. When you have to test different products, you cannot have one supplier and you can test multiple products, right? You have to go through different suppliers when you are testing different products. So in this video I'm going to tell you the method I use to find good supplier every time I test a new product, because good suppliers are really the ones who can really make or break your business. So it's really important to have a good supplier before even getting orders. So here's how I find good suppliers for my product testing phase. So let me show you. First of all, you need to go to aliexpress.com as usual, and also make sure you have Overlow installed, Overlow application on your Shopify store installed. Why do we need Overlow? I will tell you later in this video. After you have Overlow app installed, make sure you also have Overlow extension installed in the Chrome or Firefox, whatever you use. So what are we going to do is, after coming to AliExpress, we are just simply going to search for whatever product we want, right? So for example, in this video, I'm gonna say dog mat. I need a dog mat. So as soon as I write dog mat and I click on search, here are tons of results we get, right? But AliExpress automatically tells us the best suppliers on the top, right? These on the top are the very good suppliers as per AliExpress. But now it's our duty now to find the real supplier we want to work with. So what we're going to do? So we have 5 different suppliers on the very top. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open different separate tabs for each supplier. So here we go. So I'm going to open them up in different tabs. Okay, so I opened all the suppliers in different tabs. Now, the first thing I look in every supplier is that they have at least 100 orders on that particular product. That means that they are already doing business on that very product, right? So let's see and find out all the suppliers who have less than 100 orders so that we can filter them out. So this one has 7,000. Okay. So all of them has more than 100 orders. So all of them are eligible for our next step. So in the next step, I check their rating. Now make sure the rating, the stars are at least 4.5. Let's check out the suppliers who have rating less than 4.5, and we are just going to simply remove them. So here is 4.6, 5, 4.6, 4.6 and 4.7. So till now, so far, all of them meet our requirement, meet our criteria. So now all of these are good suppliers, but still we have to find that one supplier who's going to work with us, whom we are going to transfer our orders to. So the next thing I look in the supplier is the amount of followers they have and also the positive feedback. So make sure you do check out this one, because this one is very important. So as you can see, this one has 168 followers, 312, 266, 17,000 followers. Now it's a very good sign. And this one is 41,000 followers. So these two are professional suppliers, and they are already doing business for long. So we can easily trust them, but right now we cannot guarantee, right? But this gives us a good sign. So after we have checked the followers and the positive feedback rate, make sure the positive feedback is at least above 90%. So I think now the main competition is between these two suppliers. So I'm just going to simply cancel these 3 out. Now the main suppliers we have is just this one and this one, right? So now what's the next step, right, to identify a good supplier? Now just to tell you guys one more thing, that suppliers are just not only about shipping products fast, they're also about giving you cheap prices. So in most cases, what happens is the supplier with less reviews or bad reviews can give you much better price as compared to the ones who are very professional and having 5-star rating and thousands of orders. So in this case, let's check out if this supplier has a better price than this one, because this supplier has a 5-star rating, which is a very good rating in AliExpress, and this one has 4.6 ratings. But the amount of orders this supplier is having is much larger than this one. So let's check out what are their prices. So I'm just going to take this one up. So mesh cloth gray, I'm going to take this variant, and same thing for this one, gray, and this size. And as you can see, $4.7 for this product and free shipping. And if we see here, so 4.35, 4.79, 4.35. So this supplier, as I just told you, the supplier with not so good rating is giving you a better price. Now, it doesn't mean that he's a bad supplier just because he has a 4.6 rating. There are a lot factors. Now, I know that this supplier is giving me a better price, but I still want to get sure that this is a good supplier. I can genuinely trust him. So what I'm going to do, this is the most important step I every time take. Okay, without this step, I never go with a supplier. What I do is I simply go and contact them, right? Simply write anything like, hi, how are you, or how much time you're going to take to deliver this product to whatever country we're shipping to, and anything, right? You can just ask if they can give you a better price or any coupon, anything. And if they replies you within 12 hours, I think that's a good sign. So yeah, we give them some time because of the difference of the time zone. So but if they are replying you in 12 or 24 hours also, that means that yes, they are active on Aliexpress, because most of the time what happens is suppliers just put on their listing and they never come back and check on Aliexpress. It happened to me a lot of time when I just ordered the product on Aliexpress blindly without even checking the supplier, and the supplier did not ship the product for a week, and he wasn't even replying to me, but I ended up getting refund. But it's not about only money, right? Because in drop shipping, the time it takes to ship the product is already so long, we cannot afford to add more days in delay, right? So it's just better to have a good supply in the very beginning so that we can be relaxed and we can chill out and focus on our orders on Shopify, on Facebook advertising, or whatever platform you're using, right? So make sure you contact the supplier. And also one more practice I do is I simply go and click on the reviews, because sometimes suppliers do add fake reviews, but in this case, as you can see, they're having proper English reviews with images. So I think this is a good supplier, and all the reviews here are legitimate. And also make sure your supplier knows English, because most of the time the supplier end up talking in Chinese, but in the case of refunds, they never speak to you or they never understand what you are saying, right? In the case of PayPal dispute, they can never help you. Make sure your supplier at least know English by just clicking on the contact button and chat with him anything about, right? Just make sure that they reply to you soon and they also know English. Now, after this, the last step which I take, the reason I told you to have Overlow is because Overlow has their own list of verified suppliers from Aliexpress. Yes, they have a huge database, and that's a very good thing for us dropshippers. Now, what we're going to do is simply we are going to use the Overlow extension, as I told you to add in the starting. What we're going to do is just simply going to click on add to Overlow extension. And if the supplier gets added to our Overlow, so as you can see, product added to import list. Now, this means that this supplier is already verified by Overlow. If he wasn't, then Overlow wouldn't add this product in the app. So it's a very good sign that we get reconfirmed using Overlow. And now I am pretty sure that this is a good supplier and I can go with him. He has a better price, he has reviews, he has everything I need. So yeah, why not? I can go with him. So this is it, what I have for you in this video. I hope you understood something and you took some value from this video, and you always find good suppliers using this technique. And if you guys want to know how to find private suppliers, then do let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna make another video on that particular topic. And yeah, I think it wasn't so complicated to find good suppliers, right? So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, drop a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and do comment down your views. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.